I want to show you a very quick experiment today and what my setup is. It's not perfect, but I think you'll see what I'm trying to show. I've got a magnesium plate, and then I've got this piece of paper which only has the eutectic solvent, monoethylene glycol and choline chloride. And then I want to show, really this is just to test if the ink is doing anything. And I think it does show, well, it gives a very positive result, but I really wasn't expecting that because I was starting to think that the ink wasn't having any effect. But here we have another plate. On one side there's no ink, and on the other side there's, I stuck that down a long time ago on some graphene ink, and so there's a thin layer there, but it's definitely there. You can see it from the difference in the colour. So if we try just with the copper plate, I'm going to attach it up, and it's attached to the jewel thief, and it's attached to the multimeter. Now obviously this isn't perfect, the experiment, but I think it's enough to show. Now I'm just going to hold it here and put my hand on it, and I'll show you what that reads. Normally reads about 0.3, you won't get it much up past 0.4. That isn't on. And even if I've tried this even doing the batteries, but I just want to do this to show you that that's about what I get that way round. Now let's turn it round. Okay, I'll just put my hand down on it again. Hold on, something's gone wrong. There we go. Now you can see already that it's much bigger. And it's not like I'm pressing any harder. I'm doing it exactly the same, just hand down like that, but this time it's got the ink layer there. You've got light coming on. I mean, yeah, I know it's not perfect, but it's just to demonstrate. Now I can demonstrate this again with this and this, just to really satisfy everybody that the ink definitely has an effect. Okay, now I want to show you with this one. This is the carbon side. That's it without even pushing on it, and then I push on it. Wow. You know what I mean? It will go easily past 10, that. But if I turn it over, I won't get anything like the same performance. I get much worse. Here we go. You get about 1, but it's not going to go higher than that. I think that's because I've left a bit of carbon underneath anyway on the paper side, and so that's. But I'll never get it up to 5 or 6, and these just don't come on.